All right, folks, welcome back to Moving to Dallas, Texas. I'm Connor Hornsby, and this is video one of the mini series here in McKinney, Texas. We're going to be focusing on 3 different subdivisions, all new constructed subdivisions. And video one here, we're in Eastridge in McKinney. We're going to be looking at 2 different properties. Like I mentioned in my first video to introduce this mini series, we're going to be looking at the highest priced property, and then we're going to be looking at the most affordable property. The property that we're going to be looking at today behind me is going to be listed at $479, but it's 5 beds, 4 baths, over 3,600 square feet. We're going to notice with all these properties in here, regardless of how high they're priced, you're going to get a 4.99% interest rate. You're also going to get washer, dryer, and blinds all paid for, and your closing costs are going to get covered as well. So we're going to be looking at this one. Let's go take a peek, and then we'll move on to the most affordable one, which is going to be right around $297,000. As we head into each property, I'm going to do a cost breakdown of your estimated monthly payment on each property. For property number 1 at $479,000, we're going to say you're going to be putting down 3.5%. So down payment will be $16,765. And your monthly payment is going to include your principal and interest, $2,521, taxes, $678, insurance, $239, mortgage insurance, $211, giving you a grand total of $3,652 a month. All right, folks, well, we just finished up looking at the largest and most expensive property here in Eastridge. Now we're going to be looking at the most affordable property in Eastridge. We have 3 beds, 2 baths, just over 1,500 square feet, but it's going to be $297,000 here. You're still going to get the incentives, the 4.99% interest rate, the closing costs paid for. You're also going to get the washer, dryer package as well, plus the blinds. And I also like to note there is an HOA here. It comes out to about $60 per month, but you're also going to get the amenity center. You're going to get the pool, the basketball courts. There's some bocce ball areas as well, the parks, and then you're also going to have a full access gym here as well. So we're going to take a look at this one. Either way, both are great. It just all depends on what price point you're looking at to purchase here in McKinney. Let's go on and check it out. Okay, property number 2 here is $297,000. We're still going to assume the 3.5% down payment, which comes out to $10,395. Your monthly payment, which includes your principal and interest, $1,563, taxes $420, insurance $148, and mortgage insurance $131, giving you a grand total of $2,264 a month. All right, folks, so that concludes video 1 of this mini series here in McKinney. And like I said, median price point in this community is going to be around $400,000, a little bit less maybe, but they're building a lot here. As you can see behind me, there is a lot more land here in this Eastridge community. So if you have any questions, feel free to hit that subscribe button or contact me directly below. Follow the channel. Get alerts to more series. I'm going to be doing another neighborhood next, but I appreciate y'all watching and look forward to seeing y'all in Dallas.